Welcome back home. I've missed you. I love you. Let the sweet sound of my voice take you away. Back to nature. Back in harmony with Mother Nature. Let this water wash away your fears and anxieties right now in this moment. Birds chirping. They're happy. Some serenity out here, y'all. Just wanted to take a minute to give back some peace. And to tell you that you're loved and appreciated. Reporting from planet Earth. Shit's really about to hit the fan. Are you ready? Are you prepared? Here we are, 2020, baby. It's not over yet. Today we're out here detaching in nature for a minute. Anybody else ever get the uncontrollable urge to get out and reconnect with nature? If nature's calling you home, I encourage you to take the time to go ahead and do so regularly, you know. This is our natural state. Being trapped in a box all day with no sunshine, stuck addicted to these devices is really fucking us up. Stuck with that recycled air, it's really not good for us. So here we are, back at home. I'm gonna do something different on this video today. Some little snippets, little nature views, little affirmations, and most importantly, just some calming, loving energy today for Sunday. Take care of yourself. Love yourself. Prepare for the worst. But we still haven't lost, people. We gotta let go of what people would think and do what's right in our hearts. You know, and stand for something bigger than ourselves. And most certainly not turn on each other, no matter what we believe in or what our decision and place and role of this that we participate in. But, you know, truth be told, it's time to pick a side. You know, we got to put aside our egos and really, really think of the bigger picture and really, really think of each other right now. And I just want to express the fact that I love each and every one of you. We will get through this, but it's definitely got to get a lot uglier before it gets better. Just want to bring nature to y'all today. For those who can't make it out. For those who forgot to come and reconnect with Mother Nature. Here's your opportunity to get some of these natural, loving energy and forest vibes in your life. And I want to remind everybody that we are limitless. And we are co-creating consciousness. And as we elevate our frequency and raise our consciousness, we raise the consciousness of the whole. So make sure to love yourself extra lovingly today.